hi guys, welcome to Coin Repo. Today we're going to have a look at a new blockchain that came out in March 2021. The new blockchain is HiveCoin. HiveCoin is based on the KPAO proof of work algorithm, so if you've got GPUs you can mine it. If not, there's an exchange already online where you can transaction with the tokens. But we're not going to go into too much detail around that. But what we want to look at today is specifically how you download the wallet, how you set it up, and how you interact with it. We're also going to go through some common issues because so full disclaimer before we even move forward, I am part of the team that's on Discord, and the reason why this video is coming out is because I've noticed quite a few, let's say, users that we have over there have this common issue of how do I download the wallet, how do I install it, how do I set it up, how do I back up my wallet, and what are the common mistakes that they are doing. So first of all, we're going to go to the hivecoin.org webpage, so www.hivecoin.org. You're going to look at the top and you're going to find wallets. You're going to go into wallets. So at the moment there's a Windows and there's an Ubuntu wallet. The Mac wallet is coming soon, so that's still in development. There's also some apps that the team's working on that are going to be available on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. But for the time being, you can either go with Windows or Ubuntu. There's a third option that's not listed on the website, and that's a web wallet. So if you've got a mobile phone, you can load up the URL. So you go to a specific link, you log in with your social credentials, so you can use your Google account if you want to. You log in with that and you're instantly on the network, but we're going to go into that in more detail in a few minutes. So first of all, we're going to go with the Windows option, which is not downloading because it's saying it could harm my device. So I'm going to tell it to keep because I want to keep it. Set my hardware device, that's fine. Proceed at your own risk and do your own research. I'm going to tell it to keep anyway. I'm going to tell it to open the file. Windows is going to give me even more warnings, so I'm going to click on more info. I'm going to run it anyway. And I'm at the setup screen. So at this point I'm going to go next. It's going to ask me what I want to install it. I'm just going to say proceed. It's fine. I don't want to create any shortcuts. Install. This should be fairly quick and easy, so there you go. That's it. Next. You can either run it now or run it later on. I'm going to run it now. I'm going to finish. This is where we're going to download and store a copy of the blockchain. We need at least 8 GB of data, so I'm hoping you guys have got that. If you're farming Chia, you've probably got a lot more. Anyway, I'm going to say OK. And now this is going to boot up. Now the first window you're going to be presented with, it's the wallet setup window. And in here you can either import the wallet, so import recovery phrase, enter your BIP39 compliant recovery phrase or mnemonic. We're going to call it the mnemonic. So if you've already got a wallet, you can already input the phrase here and then go to import, and technically should load up one of your old wallets. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to say generate. There you go. So it's going to generate a mnemonic, a default one for me. I can enter a passphrase, but at the moment I'm going to leave this blank to explain later on what the purpose of this is. Please ensure you back up your recovery phrase and passphrase. They are not recoverable. So we've had a few people on the Discord channel asking, how do I recover my wallet? I don't have access to my mnemonic. I didn't back up my wallet, or I did back up my wallet, but I don't have access to the passphrase, or I don't have access to the recovery phrase. Well, if that's the case, there's not much that you can do. So please, 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 I don't know how to stress this enough. Make sure you back up your wallet, back up your passphrase, and also back up your mnemonic. Okay, a common mistake that people do here is they hit cancel. So they get to this stage, they look at their mnemonic, they write it down. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy paste the mnemonic in here. Obviously do not do this. This is just a test wallet that I'm doing, so do not do do this at home. Write it down, piece of paper. Make sure you write it down on more pieces of paper. Ideally store it in separate locations. Fireproof wallet, fireproof safe. Ideally waterproof it as well. So a common mistake that people do, they get to this point, they hit cancel. If you cancel, the word list will be generated for you. Are you sure you want to continue? Guys, some people do not read this message and just click yes. So what's going to happen now? If I click yes, basically there's going to be a random wallet that's generated for me. And these words, this mnemonic that I've just written down will not work. So let me just show you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click yes. I've written down the mnemonic. I'm going to say yes. If you cancel, the word list will be generated for you. Are you sure you want to continue? I'm going to click yes again, because obviously, let's pretend I do not understand what this says. And now I'm presented with this window. Basically, the wallet is now connecting to peers and is syncing to the blockchain. While it's syncing to the blockchain, you can still work in it. You can create receive addresses and everything else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the hide button. I'm going to be presented with my wallet. I'm going to go to receive. And this is where you can set up addresses. So if I want to set up a receive address, so if there's an address that I want to mine to, so if I want to set up my miner to mine to this specific address, or if I want to send this address to someone to send me some coin and interact with the blockchain, or whether I want to apply for the airdrops. By the way, if you go into Discord and join the server, you can apply for airdrops as well. So let's say I'm going to use this as my miner address. You can leave this blank, I'm just playing around. So I've got the label name, I've got the message, and I'm going to click request payment. I'm going to present it with this window. Basically, you can either scan the QR code and send coins here, or you can just hit close. You're going to have the address here. You click it, right click, copy URI. And then when you're going to go to the miner, you're just going to paste it, but obviously make sure you delete the message and the label and the question mark, and then also delete the Hive bit at the beginning. So technically, this is your address. So this is your receiving address where you're going to get all your farming income. Now, let's say you need the mnemonic for this wallet. Because what's going to happen, one day you're going to reinstall all your software, you're going to delete the wallet and delete everything else, and you're going to try to recover it with the mnemonic we've got saved. Unfortunately, this mnemonic is not the correct one. What you can do, if you've got the correct mnemonic, as soon as you've installed the wallet, you can go to help. We're going to click the debug window. You've got the console tab open. You're going to say get my words, enter, give it a few seconds, well, a few more seconds obviously, and there we go. So our words are something completely different to what we've got up here. So let's assume you would have deleted your wallet, you would have reset your system, you would go back and you would try to restore the wallet. You would enter these set of words instead of this, and you'd be given an error saying that these words do not match an existing wallet. And then you're panicking because you've got 2 million coins in your wallet, which you will never be able to restore it. So please, 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 as soon as you install your wallet, make sure from the console that the words match. Now, step number 2 of what we want to do, we want to make sure that we encrypt the wallet. So encrypt your wallet. So I'm just going to delete these because these we're not using anymore. They're good for nothing. Then I'm going to create a passphrase. So we're going to create a passphrase. Yellow apple on a brown tree. Again, yellow apple on a brown tree. Okay, I've set it here as well. Okay, yes. and we are now encrypted. This is going to close down. It's going to restart itself. So here we are again. We started the wallet again. I'm gonna minimize it. Then what you want to do, you want to back it up. So we're gonna go to wallet, backup wallet. Ideally save it on your desktop. So random wallet number 1. Save it. And now you're going to get a message in the bottom right hand side saying random wallet has been generated. So you've backed up your wallet, you've saved your passphrase, you've got the mnemonic seed, you've got everything backed up somewhere, encrypted drive or on paper, up to you. And what you want to do now, you want to import this wallet. Let's assume you've mined some coins, you've got 4 tokens for example on this wallet, and you want to purge the entire machine. So you want a new copy of Windows, and then you want to reinstall the wallet. In the meantime, while you're reinstalling everything, let's assume you want access to your wallet just to check your balance or do an emergency transfer. What you can do, you've got the option of accessing a web wallet, and you can do that by going to wallet.hivecoin.org from a PC, laptop or mobile device. It doesn't really matter. So what you want to do when you get to this page, we've already got an account created, so we're not going to create an account, but obviously you'll need to create one if you're missing an account. I'm going to go to the social media button because I'm already signed in with Gmail, with the Gmail account. I'm going to click the social media button. Once you log in, you're going to be presented with the home page. Here we are. My current holding is obviously 4 HVN because I've already transferred 4 coins just to test the wallet to see if it works. What I can do now, I can either keep this separate wallet and use it as a cold wallet if I wanted to, or I can mine to this wallet and keep the wallet that I've got on my machine with the backup as the cold wallet. So you've got 2 options, or you've got the third option. You can import your wallet from your machine using your seed phrase, your mnemonic seed. You can import it into the web wallet, and to do that you need to go here, gonna go to wallets switch. You're gonna have, I've got 2 wallets because I've obviously imported one, but if you want to import an additional wallet, I'm going to go to mnemonic. I'm going to import the mnemonic. So I'm going to copy this, copy, there we go, paste. What do we want to call this? Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm going to click add wallet, and here we are. It basically imported the wallet that we've got installed on our desktop. I'm going to jump to it, and it's going to tell me that it needs about 5 to 10 minutes to update. So just give it 5 to 10 minutes to update, and then you can access it after. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. We are back in the web wallet. We can see that the amount of coin that we have is 0 because we've had no transactions in this wallet. At the same time, let's say you've purged your machine and you want to get access back to your wallet on your machine as well. So you want to recover the wallet on your machine. You've always got the option to go to the web wallet and use your wallet from here, do transactions. The really positive thing about this is you don't need to wait for the wallet to sync to the blockchain. So as soon as you import it into the web wallet, you've got direct access to the blockchain, and you can start doing transactions already without having to wait for it to sync up. So what we're going to do, if we want to restore the wallet on the desktop as well, we're going to re-download the application, run the install again. Not going to create any shortcuts. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Next, run. So this is how you restore it from a backup. Let's assume you've had to wipe your machine or uninstall the wallet. You're going to be presented with the same window. Here we go, that we looked at in the beginning. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy my mnemonic, paste it in here, and I'm going to click import. And we're in. What you want to do now, you want to go back to the console. Well, obviously you're going to see your amount of coins that you've always had from the beginning in here. But just to be on the safe side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in here, and then I'm going to say get my words. Just want to check, am I in the right wallet? Have I done everything correctly? Because obviously this wallet's on 0. I just want to check if it worked. And I've got Attitude, 7, Easter Head, Piano, Risk, Shine, Diet, Inside, Addict, Iron, Cinnamon. Yeah, I'm in the correct one. Cool, so that's all done. So basically we've restored the wallet. I've shown you how to get your words from the debug console. I've also shown you how to save a backup of your wallet, how to create a passphrase, how to encrypt the wallet in case someone gets access to it, and also how to create a web wallet and then import to the web wallet your mnemonic seed in case you need access to an old wallet on the web wallet. I hope that was helpful. Any questions, leave them down below, but please join the Discord. Loads of people always available to help in there, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments and I'll try to do a video about that as well. So again, thanks for joining in with Coin Repo. I'll see you next time. Peace out.